Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to generate studio quality, professional AI assets directly inside Canva using the Magic Media feature. Forget searching for hours for the perfect stock photo or video. This tutorial guide will show you the exact steps to add dynamic, engaging images, graphics, videos, and even 3D elements to your designs. Let's get started. First, open your Canva homepage and search the video option. As you can see, Canva has many options of videos. For this tutorial, I'll be using the mobile video option as an example. On your video canvas, you'll see several options from your left corner. Click on the Apps option and scroll down until you see the More from Canva section. You'll see several options. Click on the Magic Media option. This is where the magic happens. Once you open it, you'll see 4 categories at the top. First, let's look at images. You'll see a text box where you can type in your prompt. For example, I'll type a futuristic city with flying cars. Below, you can choose the style and aspect ratio. Once you are ready, click Generate Image. The AI will automatically process your text into a stunning high-quality visual you can drag right onto your canvas. Next, let's switch to the Graphics tab. This is perfect for when you need unique icons or illustrations. Just like before, type your description into the box. Let's try a cute 2D robot waving. You can choose various styles like sketch or fine art. Click Generate, and you'll have a professional graphic with a transparent style background ready to use. Now let's move to the videos category. This tool allows you to turn a simple text prompt into a short cinematic clip. For this example, I'll type sunset over a calm ocean with gentle waves. Click on the Generate Video button below. The AI will take a few moments to create a unique video clip that fits your vision perfectly. Finally, let's explore the 3D category. This is amazing for product mock-ups or unique design elements. Simply type in what you want to see. For example, a 3D isometric gaming chair. Once you click Generate, the AI will provide a 3D rendered object that adds incredible depth and a modern look to your project. And that's it! In just minutes, you've created high-quality images, graphics, videos, and 3D elements using the help of AI in Canva. With Canva, anything is possible. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit that like button and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable design and AI tips just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.